Dear students, in this video I explain the sixth characteristic property of solids. Solids don't flow. See this image. Take some pebbles. All these are pebbles. So keep them on a flat table. Do they change their position? No. They don't change their position because pebbles are in the solid state. Hence we can say solids don't flow. Now the summary of the characteristic properties of solid. There are six characteristic properties. The first one, all solid matter has mass. The second one, all solid matter occupies space. The third one, all solids have definite volume. Fourth one, all solids have a definite shape. Fifth one, solids cannot be compressed. Sixth one, solids don't flow. So, a solid has definite mass, volume, shape, and can have any number of free surfaces. A solid has definite mass, volume, shape, and can have any number of free surfaces. So what are the examples of solid matter? We can say the examples of solid matter are stone, wood, iron, steel, gold, diamond, stones, house, books, mobiles, anything. Dear students, in the coming video I explain the first characteristic property of liquids. All liquid matter has mass using this example. And for all the videos, please click the playlist link which is given in the description part of this video.